Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to bring you this helmet from AGV, the Tourmodular, and inside of the box, which is here, we do have a pin lock, the Max Vision 120, and also this bag with the protection for the chin, also some manual stickers and the tools that you need to install the communication system on the helmet. It comes or it doesn't come, but you can buy a separate system which AGV Inside, I think it's how it's called. It's 329 euros, and the good thing, it's very easy to integrate in the helmet, and everything will look like it belongs there. But we are going to talk about the helmet, and as you can see, I'm going to close it. First of all, this is how the helmet looks closed, okay? We do have 4 colors of this helmet, the gray, black, white and blue. And talking about colors, they decided not to use the traditional colorful AGV logo on the helmet, and they went for this design instead, which I think it is nice. Ventilation, here on the top we have this button here, which is very easy to access with one hand and with gloves. On the front we have 3 ventilations, this one's on the side and this one here, and this button here is for you to open the visor, which is a very nice mechanism. It really locks the visor in place, and also all these protections here, they are made with rubber, not PVC, which makes the isolation even better inside of the helmet. Nose guard, we also have the chin guard, which is there on the bag, and interior sun visor, which hits here. We use this lever down here to open it and close it. Very simple mechanism, it works. Anti-scratch, both of them, so I'm not even going to talk about that. What I'm going to talk about this visor is that it's you can remove it without any tools, which is good, and this one also you can remove without tools. So good thing about that. Then we can close it. We have a good field of visibility with this visor. Pin lock, which is there, which I already told you, it comes included. And if we move on to the back, we do have the exhaust here. Nothing on this area, which is nice. And then here on the bottom, we have this little area here, which is basically where you're going to install the intercom. And here on the side, it's where you're going to have the commands for the intercom. Super simple, super cool, and I like it. Again, this is a modular helmet, but it's a light helmet, 1,620 grams, which I think it is good. And we can achieve that because it is made of carbon armament fiberglass shell. So it is strong in case of an impact, but it makes it light. Another thing, this red lever here on the bottom, it's the protection for the modular helmet, and you open it like this, and you can ride this helmet with open face or closed because it's certified P and G. I'm going to put the helmet so you can see how it fits me, basically. Okay, micrometric lock here underneath the bottom, and we just do this. Helmet on. As you can see, the fitment, it's perfect, okay? Everything is nice on the helmet. You can put, it has the special cutouts for you to have the glasses if you use glasses, which I do not use glasses. And if I want to close it, I can close it just like this. I'm just going to open here a little bit and give you a little bit of look how it stays with the helmet. I think it's a really nice helmet with a good design. The latch here, very interesting. Okay, another thing, notice I do have this opening here, and when I do open the modular part, the visor never touches the helmet. And then when I put it down again, I still have a gap here. So it is interesting. It's a kind of memory, okay, and it works well. And I'm just going to remove it because I'm inside and it's getting hot with the helmet. Why it's getting hot? Because we do have a really nice interior. The interior, it's made with good materials, which I'm going to show you right now. Of course, it's removable, it's washable. You have the too dry, which basically means it absorbs the sweat much better than the traditional liners inside. Everything is good to the touch. Wherever I touch, it feels really nice, and I do like these materials. It gives you a nice touch. It gives that sense of premium. If you are interested, at least here in Portugal, check out my partner, which is here on this side, I think, and you can see all the details about the helmet. I'm very impressed of the quality. Look here, everything on the side, everything here you can see all the mechanics here. It looks really good. It doesn't look cheap. It looks really, really nice. This is just a presentation. I do not have the okay to test it on the road, because as you all know, modular helmets are a little bit more noisy than full face helmets, but this one claims to be at the same level as the full face. Same or equivalent, okay? Not exactly the same. So I would like to try it, but I do not have permission for that. But at least I can show it, I can present it to you, and it's here on my channel. And basically, guys, this is it. This is my presentation of the Tourmodular from AGV. I want to say thank you to Motoponto for lending me this helmet to be able to bring it to you. Also, I want to remind you my partnership with CarTrack, the GPS tracker for our motorcycles. Link down in the description that gives you the first month free. It only works in Portugal, but it's the best I can do. And finally, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you receive my future videos, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!